Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Today we received a very special gift, which is this clothing we're wearing today, from our dear uncle Ahmed Jan Ahmadi. And he sent it all the way from Afghanistan, which makes it even more special. May Allah bless his hands for such great quality. It's so comfortable yet fashionable. And I'm so proud to be an Afghan. I love the culture and I love wearing Afghan clothes. And a special thanks to my dear uncle Ahmed Jan Ahmadi. Dear Ramanana, I love you so much.
Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Today we received a really special gift from Afghanistan from our uncle Ahmed Jan Ahmadi. We love it so much. It's really nice quality, really nice pattern and design. And I also want to say a really big thanks to our uncle Ahmed Jan Ahmadi. Dear Manana, we love you so much. Now, me and my brothers will stand up and my brother will give you more information about the Afghan clothes.
Stand up, Baba. Well done.
My dear uncle Ahmed Jan Ahmadi has started a business in Afghanistan, Kabul. And he does all types of Afghan clothing, and he does all types of colors, patterns, designs, and sizes. He does it for newborn children and adults. And if anyone wants to order, the prices are really good, the quality is really good, and the service is top. And us as a family, we personally chose to match up gold and white, and even our father is matching up with us. And my father will share with you the full details of the address.
Assalamu alaikum, ګرانو ملګرو. نن لکه څنګه چې دغه ماشومان خوشحاله دي، تره ورته که افغاني کالي رالیږلي دي د کابل نه، دوی ډېر خوشحاله دي. نو دوی ځکه د دوکان ډیټیل تاسو سره هغه څه ورته چې شیر کړه او د ده ادرس زه به درته ووایم. دوکان نوم دی ابو عمر احمدي حیاتي او رخت پلورنځی او عمر احمدي او د ټلیفون نمبر دی 07858184484 او یا 07661559990. ادرس یې دی کرزي نمرو ته مخامخ دویم بلاک نهمه کوڅه ارزان قیمت. که چاته ښکلي کالي پکارو، نوي ډیزاین کالي پکارو، نو تاسو د دا ځای نه ترلاسه کولی شئ. ډېره مننه، خدای دې وکړي چې خوند ترې واخلئ. السلام علیکم.
Zindabad Afghanistan.
امیر ورته love you وړوک دادا. زنده‌باد.